So Honor just had their entire Magic 8 Pro Air leaked in an unboxing video. And I'm not talking about a spec sheet or a render. Someone literally got the phone early and unboxed the whole thing on camera. But here's what's wild. This phone is as thin as two coins stacked together, and it's got a button that looks suspiciously like Apple's camera control. Let me show you everything that just leaked. Alright, so tipster Ice Universe just dropped this unboxing video on X, and it reveals basically everything about the Honor Magic 8 Pro Air before its official launch next week on January 19th, 2025. First things first, the design. In the video, you can see the phone in this gorgeous purple colorway that Honor's calling Fairy Purple, and when they compare it to two coins stacked together, it matches perfectly. This thing is seriously thin. Honor has already teased that the Magic 8 Pro Air will be just 6.1 millimeters thick and weigh around 155 grams. For context, that's incredibly light and slim for a flagship phone. But what caught my eye is this camera control-like button on the side. Yeah, just like the iPhone 16. According to the leak, you'll be able to use it for zooming in and out, plus launching the camera app. Honor's really not being subtle here. The video also gives us a clear look at that rear camera module design, with a hole-punch display cutout on the front for the selfie camera. Now here's where it gets interesting. The person unboxing this actually went into the settings menu and showed us the full spec sheet. Under the hood, the Honor Magic 8 Pro Air is packing a MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset. The specific unit in the video had 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage, though we'll likely see other configurations at launch. The display resolution is confirmed at 1216 by 2640 pixels, and it features something Honor calls Oasis Eye Protection, probably their marketing term for eye comfort features. There's also mention of Honor's E2 energy efficiency chip, which should help with battery life. Software-wise, this phone is shown running Android 16-based Magic OS 10. That's pretty cutting edge since Android 16 isn't even widely available yet. And the battery? Honor's packing a 5500 mAh cell, which they're branding as the Qinghai Lake battery. That's a massive battery for such a thin phone. Seriously impressive engineering here. Honor has already confirmed the Magic 8 Pro Air will come in 4 colors: Fairy Purple, Light Orange, Feather White, and Shadow Black. All of these look pretty clean from what we've seen. The leaked video also shows us exactly what you'll get in the box, which is honestly more than most companies give you these days. Honor's including an 80-watt adapter right in the box. That's fast charging that should get you topped up pretty quickly with that 5500 mAh battery. You're also getting a USB Type-C cable and a transparent plastic phone case. Nothing fancy, but it's nice to see Honor including the basics instead of making you buy them separately. So, just for context, the Magic 8 Pro Air is joining the Magic 8 Pro lineup that Honor launched back in October 2025. This is being positioned as the thin and light variant of that series. Honor's launching this thing in China on January 19th at 7:30 p.m. local time. That's 5 p.m. IST. And they're also launching the new Magic 8 RSR Porsche design alongside it, so it's going to be a pretty stacked event. Now, Honor hasn't officially confirmed all these specs yet, but based on this leak, we're looking at a complete picture of what's coming. And honestly, this looks like a solid flagship package in an incredibly thin body. So there you have it. Pretty much everything about the Honor Magic 8 Pro Air, courtesy of someone who couldn't wait until next week to show it off. Thin design, flagship specs, massive battery, and that iPhone-inspired camera button. This could be a serious contender if Honor nails the execution. And if you want more leaks and tech news like this, hit subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.